much right now. I was gonna show you guys how I kind of do this. It's like a low carb, like a pizza wrap kind of thing. So I'm just gonna, I have some low carb tortillas that I got from Publix. You can find them at Walmart too. They're like 4 grams of net carbs per tortilla. And I'm just gonna put some pizza sauce on here. Put that on there really good. And this stuff, this is 4 grams of carbs per 1/4 of a cup. I don't think I'm using anywhere near 1/4 of a cup, so. Spread that real good. Okay. Then I'm gonna put some pepperonis on it. I'll go in with some mozzarella. I'm just going to put a couple more pepperonis on the top of it. Just because. Okay. And I'm going to grab some parchment paper and put on the bottom of my air fryer just because the sauce kind of will spill out when they start cooking a little bit, so. Okay, that's good. All right, so now I'm gonna kind of try to roll these up the best that I can do. Okay, and just like that, and then throw it in the air fryer. Oh, it's the wrong way. I've been making these for about 2 weeks now. I just kind of realized I could do this because we had pizza one night and I was like, oh man, I would really like to have something with pizza because, you know, the crust, you can't really do the crust if you're doing like a low carb. So I found a really good alternative. And I also found that if you take these tortillas and brush them with a little bit of oil and put them in the oven and then flip them over on the other side for a couple minutes, they also make like a really cool pizza crust. But anyways, okay, so I'm gonna put this on like 375 for, I don't even, let's see, we'll do like 8 minutes, but I'll come and check them before then. Okay, I'll show you guys when they're done. Okay guys, so they are done. I ended up adding a couple more minutes, and I think I added 3, so I cooked them for a total of 11 minutes on 375. But anyways, here they are. They turned out good, and they are great if you're having a pizza craving and you're doing like a low carb. You could probably add, you know, like banana peppers or jalapenos or whatever that you would normally like on a pizza. So very, very cool. Anyway, so I've been doing kind of a low carb thing now for a little over a year. Back in January of last year, I went to a doctor's appointment, and they, my A1C was awful. It was 8.1. Really scared me, so I started, you know, just making one good decision at a time and changing some things. And today my A1C is 5.6, which is great. I'm very happy, and I've lost 40 pounds. I definitely have bad days. I, you know, make mistakes, and just got to keep going and make good decisions, and they will definitely pay off. But I wanted to kind of start making videos on what I eat and how I make it, just in case, you know, if anybody else is interested and don't really know where to start. Yeah, just keep watching for more videos like this. But thanks, guys.